In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your organization settings in Xero. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to ensure your account details are accurate and up to date, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easier for you to manage your business operations effectively. First things first, to access your organization settings in Xero, you'll need to be logged into your account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main landing area where you can see an overview of your business finances at a glance. Now, at the top of your dashboard, click on your company name. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, click on Settings. This section is where you'll be able to customize and update various aspects of your Xero account. Once you've navigated to the settings page, look for and click on Organization Details. Here you can start by uploading your business logo. A logo adds a professional touch to your invoices and reports and helps to reinforce your brand identity whenever you communicate with clients through Xero. Next, you'll want to add a display name. This is the name you'll see within your Xero account and can be different from your legal or trading name, which is registered with the government and used on official documentation like financial reports, quotes, and invoices. Following this, it's important to specify your company's industry and business structure. These details are crucial as they can influence your accounting and reporting requirements. With that information provided, move on to adding your business registration number along with your employer identification number or EIN. These identifiers are used for legal and tax purposes, so make sure they're accurate and up to date. It's also helpful to include a brief description of your business. This description can give context to anyone accessing your account, like accountants or financial advisors, ensuring they understand your business's scope and nature of operations. Next up is entering your business address and contact information. This includes your physical location and relevant phone numbers or email addresses for correspondence. Accurate contact information ensures that you can easily be reached and maintained for record keeping. Finally, after you've meticulously filled in all the sections, don't forget to hit save. This step is crucial to ensure that all your hard work doesn't go to waste and your information is stored correctly within the system. And there you have it. By going through these steps, you've successfully set up your organization settings in Xero, paving the way for a more streamlined accounting process. Remember, keeping your business information up to date in Xero not only helps with accurate financial reporting, but also boosts your business's credibility and trustworthiness. Thank you for joining us on this setup journey, and stay tuned for more Xero tips and tutorials.